In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Fidelity customer service. Fidelity has a unique way of handling customer inquiries, especially for account-specific questions. They do not offer a public email address for such matters. Instead, they recommend using their secure message feature. This approach ensures your privacy and security when discussing sensitive information. Let's start with the desktop method. First, you need to log into your Fidelity account. Open your web browser and type in the address bar, fidelity.com. Once the web page loads, sign in using your credentials. Remember, keeping your login details secure is crucial for protecting your account. After logging in, navigate to the Contact Us page. You can do this by locating the search bar at the upper right corner of the screen. Type in the phrase, "Send a secure message." This search will guide you to the right resources. Click on the option that says, "How do I send secure message?" A pop-up will appear, providing you with further instructions. In the pop-up window, click on the link that mentions "Send a secure email." This step is important because it directs you to the secure messaging portal. Using this portal ensures your communication is encrypted and directly linked to your Fidelity account. Now you are ready to send a secure email. You'll see several fields to fill out. Start by entering the subject of your message. Be clear and concise about the issue or question you have. Next, specify whom you want to send the email to. This ensures your message reaches the right department or representative. Then, select the account related to your inquiry. If your question involves multiple accounts, choose the most relevant one. You also have the option to add attachments. This is useful if you need to include supporting documents or statements. Finally, compose your message. Be detailed, but avoid including sensitive information like account numbers or passwords. Remember, secure messages are designed to protect such details. Once you've reviewed your message, go ahead and send it. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your message has been sent. It's worth noting that Fidelity offers 24/7 phone support as well. If your issue is urgent, you can reach them at 800-343-3548. This is a handy option if you prefer speaking directly to a representative. Using secure messages is a key feature because it keeps your communication safe and private. It is especially important when dealing with financial information. By following these steps, you ensure that your inquiry is handled securely and efficiently. So, there you have it. Now you know how to email Fidelity customer service using their secure message system. This method is straightforward and prioritizes your security. Feel confident in reaching out to them for any account-specific questions or concerns you might have. Remember, safeguarding your financial information is always a top priority. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.